What's up, collectors? It's Lewis. Monkball Toys. What? What's wrong? Behind the camera. What's up, buddy?
Yo.
So we got these mobile versions, new packages that everybody loves so much.
Yeah, they're so great.
I'm glad I could see what I bought. And they just so light, it's like, I don't feel it. But yes, we have the Future Foundation Spider-Man Stealth Suit. So this is it, new package. You don't even get to see the toy, you just see promo shots of it. So, does it look like that? Nobody knows.
Will it be in there? Will it not be in there?
Right? Will be in this box. Was it double tape? Was it digging ball in the bottom? Who knows? I don't know. But let's find out, because this packaging is the worst. I just dropped something. I'll get that in a second. Was our little tissue paper that I use for, remember back in kindergarten tracing paper?
Yep.
That's what it feels like.
Yeah, no doubt.
It is Spider-Man. Thank you, Hasbro, for this lovely box that is so great that I could just pour my away. I can't. God, it's so stable. Okay. I feel like it's just so cheaply put together now. Like, it was so beautiful in the package. And what's that drop?
I dropped the hands.
Yeah, that's probably what I dropped. Alright. Tissue paper. Awesome. Okay. So, got a paper. Hey, Hasbro, how about you take this little paper, this warning paper, that you're doing, I want to say 22 different languages. There you see it. How about you take this, stop giving it to us, save that 2.8 cents, and give us a package back. Nobody needs this. I don't know one person, I don't see one video ever that says, oh, this little paper, I read it every time. It's the same stuff you put on the bottom of the box. I don't need it twice. So give us a package back, please. Please, and thank you. If you guys give it to us, I will sing the Bodyguard song to you guys. You know, the Whitney Houston, I'm not going to sing it, but I'll say it. The one that goes, I will always love you. Yes, I will sing that to you if you bring it back. This is just
Garbage.
Thank you.
You're welcome, buddy.
It reminds me of a movie I heard about that my buddy you watched last night.
Oh, I don't even want to talk about that.
Hey, shut up. He's the web. I like how they did kind of see-through. So it's just white. It looks like a web now. That's beautiful.
Props.
Yes. God, my figure is in toilet paper. Oh, I mean t-shirt. Sorry.
And what's the difference?
Right? And I'm guessing
Like the stuff you get in the gift.
all these and this amazing info packet. If you take all these, don't give it to us. Give us a window box. Like, come on.
Save the trees.
Yeah. You guys don't worry about plastic. How about you save the trees? So here we go. Thank you, Robert.
Got you.
Yes. So here we go. Future Foundation double knee joints. Look at that deep bend right there. That's all the back. Now we can make him. That's a perfect bend. But it did not come with toe bands, like the new 2-pack that we posted a couple weeks ago. That's very nice, a 2-pack. I do like this deep butterfly going, so look at that. Look how far back that goes. So you can have him doing his PlayStation 4 jumping off the building right there. Fun time.
And his webs don't work, just like in the first Spider-Man.
His web walk.
Yep.
I love that in Nowhere, what is it? Nowhere Home, but,
This is Tobey Maguire's first movie.
well, no, but the third Spider-Man with Tom Holland, when they're like, does that come out of you? Does he come out anywhere else? And they're like, no. He said, have you ever had a web block? He said, yes, yes I have.
All because Mary Jane didn't love him.
Yep. And then he had to put his glasses back on. Wasn't that Spider-Man 2 for Doc Ock?
No, that was the first one. I
No.
think. Oh, wait.
It is of getting Dr. Octopus. Because, remember, when you go back to fight him, he has to take his glasses off as the Dr. Octopus throws a car to the restaurant.
Oh, yeah.
You can't see, so it's like,
Spider Sense.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what it was. It was the second one. You're right.
yeah.
You're right.
Don't question my Spider-Man. So, okay, sorry guys, we just told what I read about Spider-Verse, trying to get a decent pose here, but some of these joints are just, the paint is so stuck, trying to crack it for you. So, okay, here we go. We're gonna get him threatening to punch somebody. So, menacing right here. We're gonna turn this over. We're gonna get this thing right here. See if we can get this dynamic, what's it called? Dynamic pose? Damn, I couldn't get that out of my mouth for the life of me. Okay, boom, here we go. Look at that pose. Should I turn it over, make it cool? Like you look at the camera, about to knock off somebody's block. Boom, boom. So there you go. It was the right figure in the terrible box.
Where do you put the webs?
So these go on his hands. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I've never really used these because I've always thought they were useless, but I think they go like on his hands or to put.
I mean, he has a little hole in his back.
Yeah, that's because he used the same body for a lot of figures.
Oh, I thought you just put the thing in his back. I don't know.
No, let's see if we can put on this first without taking the thing off. Yeah, I've never really done these because I've always thought they were kind of useless, not like anything I would use, because I most like dynamic posing instead of we'll put it around his head.
Trick shot.
Yeah, right?
Like 360 no scope.
Stupid thing. So he's webbing himself like Daredevil. When Daredevil uses his billy club, it goes all around him. So Yeah, I've never been a fan of these. Like, I have a box of these I never use. And then you can heat them up. If you take a blow dryer, make it hot, you can heat it up and stretch it out so it's not curved, so it's kind of straight. But if you don't, it will slowly bend back. Yeah. So yeah, it's whatever. I like it better without the wire. But if you pose it with it, show me pictures so I can copy it. I could be like, oh, it's a good idea. Not my type of idea, but yeah, so here we go. Let's put this bad boy up and give him a review. So, with the possibility, double knee joint, double elbow. The big thing for me is the butterfly joint. I love that deep pose is awesome. I hate the package. I hate. By the way, I hate it. So, I'm gonna give this a 9 because it is Spider-Man, has a butterfly joint. I like the different outfit. It is cool. Has a different take on it. That's mine. Going with the 9. What you got, Rob?
Okay, so I'm going to say two things. Well, one, I'm going to give the design itself a 10.
Okay.
Because I really like it.
Not bad.
But...
Did I show it to you guys?
No, you didn't. But, so the thing I don't like is how they just keep using the same...
Buck.
The same body. The same body. And the body itself, it's like a 6.
Well, they do it because they want to save money.
But, overall, my rating on it is a 9.5.
Alright, there you go. 9.5 for Rob. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you have it? Show me pictures what you guys do with your web. Because I'm very curious. Maybe you can make a cool design? Ooh, I don't know. But show me tons of things below. Facebook, Instagram, all that good stuff. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and subscribe. So, till next time, happy hunting.